Weeds are always a curse. Herbicides are increasingly seen by many as being undesirable due to their potential long-term health effects. What is baking soda? Baking soda has a number of uses beyond just baking. You can use it to clean your countertops, drains, and pipes. It can be used in a mixture with vinegar to scrub pots and pans and to clean your microwave oven. It can also be used in your mouthwash. How can I use baking soda in my garden? Baking soda is a sodium salt. Excess sodium in soils is generally a bad thing, so in many cases, you probably wish to avoid using it. To kill weeds between pavers, just sprinkle the baking soda along the lines between the pavers. You can do this in the morning when the plants are damp with dew. You will see after 3 or 4 days the leaves turn brown and the plants die. This works, but potassium hydroxide in a sprayer bottle with water works much better. Can baking soda kill weeds and help with removal of pests? Yes, baking soda can kill weeds. Avoid applying it in places such as lawns, as it will kill your lawn too. Why should you use baking soda in your garden? Many gardeners use baking soda in their gardens because they believe it is beneficial to plants. This is true to an extent, but there are a few caveats you should be aware of. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate. Sodium builds up in the soil and causes saline soil, which is not desirable. Baking soda has limited application as a weed killer when trying to kill weeds growing in cracks and crevices. Removing weeds between pavers, or cracks in paths and similar places is achievable with baking soda. However, potassium hydroxide solution in water works a lot better, using a lot less money to achieve the same results. And is also a lot less damaging to your soil. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.